So we're doing a 30-minute open house. We're letting everyone kind of come inspect the property, check it out. We're gonna do open bidding, highest and best offer. We have a couple offers in already, so we'll just see what happens and just take the best buyer from there. So see how it goes. Well, I'm really happy. I didn't expect this type of turnout, so I'm really glad everyone came. Yeah, we've had a couple offers coming already, and so basically what we do, we just need the highest and best offer. Now, the best offer isn't necessarily the highest, so we typically close within 7 days. It's all cash, $5,000 EMD. The best offer we have written in right now is $115, so it's pretty easy. I'm not an auctioneer. I don't talk really fast. I'm a Southern boy, so I have a Southern draw. But we just take the highest and best offer. So if anyone wants to offer like 120, 125, let me know, and we'll kind of go from there. So I think everyone's scared to say something. 116, okay, so we got 116. Now, just to let you know the comps in the area, you guys may have already seen, there's some pending comps as well. So we have, let me just pull it up here.
Carter's at 225, it's pending.
Yeah. And then we have another one at 199, another one at 199. So 116, okay, anyone else want to do 117?
120. 118.
Did you hear 120?
Yeah, we hear this, Brendan.
I didn't hear you.
120.
120, okay, 120 right here. Anyone 121? 121?
122.
122.
122? Okay. We got 122. And 123, how about 123? 123 going once. 123 going twice. And it's 122 for the man in the kitchen there. All right, congratulations. All right, give us Sean right here. He'll get y'all written up. We didn't have a 115 offer. We had a verbal. We had a verbal 115. We had a verbal one, but I needed to start. I needed to get rid of the tire kickers right away and get to find out who's going to be really interested. Yeah. So we were hoping to get 120. We got 121, 122, 122. So even better. So 122,000 over our original asking price. So that's not a bad day's work, right?
Yeah, worked out.
So, and how many, it takes a few text messages, a few emails, and then also there's other wholesalers here sometimes too. So we ask them about properties like Alex. I think he left already, but we can find out what other properties are available, joint venture with some of these people. You can see right here from this evidence, we had 25, 30 people show up. We bid the house up 22,000 over our original asking price. So all of our other wholesalers in the market love to work with us because we can usually get more than they can.
Yeah.
So,
Awesome.
cool.